Righto, we've got a little bit of a bet here. Joey Groupie's had 8 bits of pizza, and the bet is if he can eat a whole pizza, he gets $50 off the chop, which I've given him, and he's now doubling up.
Smile for the camera, mate.
He's on about his 15 piece at the moment, and it's on YouTube tonight. I'll bang it on YouTube tonight, Joey.
Oh, bang it. How about you bang it? There's nothing there for YouTube. Oh.
Yes, it is. I've got internet access. Joey eating pizza.
Joey eating pizza.
Mate, it's the Guinness Book of Records.
Turn it in, say, fucker. Cheaper.
Oh, hello.
Have a look.
Email that to me and we'll put it on the fishing site tonight.
Oh, mate, that's fucking the best.
Joey,
Oh, that's fucking gold, mate. I love that. You're the man. You're the fucking man.
You made the best.
There's 3 more bottles. There's 3 more bottles.
No, do it with 2. Come on. The credit score, look at that.
Joey. Hey, Joey, you've left a bit of cucumber in there too, in the box, mate. You've covered it up.
Oh, yeah.
And a bit, yeah.
Alright, Joe.
I'm sorry, look, it's 3 more.
Oh, Joe. Mate, it's fucking 9:30.
It's only 9:23.
One more, that one more.
I'll email it to you.
Eating it.
Taking one for the team.
Are you know what we like, Joe? You need to buy me a couple of bucks tomorrow and I'll take it all. It's so much cash.
That's fucking better. Oh, he looks fucking better. No. You started.